Hello, yeah, everybody. This is DB Prakash from Institute of Practical Accountancy. Why I am meeting you? Why I want to interact with you? This is basically for the commerce and management community. Apart from that, the persons from 21 years to 60 years people we have been addressing in this through this video. See, normally what is happening that the people who are after completion of their degree or a PG in the management and commerce and then the bachelor of BCom. So when they come out that when they go for the jobs, the companies have been asking, ఏమంటున్నాయంటే మీకు వర్కింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉందా, వర్కింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లేదు కాబట్టి సారీ వీ కెనాట్ ఆఫర్ యూ జాబ్ అని అంటుంటారు. ఇది ఎందుకు? ఇంకొకటి కూడా ఏమంటే చాలామంది కూడా ఇదే కాకుండా అకౌంట్స్ ఫైనాన్స్లో చాలా జాబ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. This is the now government is talking about the skill development. It is now they have made it as a compulsory. That is the thing. We have developed a course in 1993 itself. Now the government is talking about this skill development now, but we started in 1993. We have trained more than 30,000 candidates. It is an industry ready course. It is for MNC jobs, it is for taxation jobs, it is for like a global accounting jobs like. That is the reason. This is the very friendly mean to say that without the purpose of this is to not to confuse you, and that's the reason we say that it is also with a placement help. That's a, you can check up our records and everything, then only you can take a decision. This is our introduction part of it. I have just given you. Now I am talking about this is online courses. Now we have introduced online courses also. Offline also do we have. This is a global accountant course with, as I told you, plenty of jobs. Mean to say that I wanted to just tell you, college persons when they come out, when they go for a jobs, they have been asking for a working experience, I said. So that's a reason in this course it is a substitute for working experience. Substitute for working experience in the sense that in this we train you in all these areas, like you talk about a practical accounting, practical aspects of GST, practical aspects of income tax, practical finance, practical payroll accounting and computerized accounting. In all these areas we trained you. That's the reason it is a full-fledged complete accountant course. And this is the what are the jobs are created are this is helpful. MNC company part of it. If you are going for a MNC companies, what they will do. MNC companies have got different roles, different verticals. They call it as one vertical, accounts processor AP, accounts processor AR, accounts processor GL, like all these things are included in our course part of it. I mean to say that's the reason MNC, our people have been working, you name any company they have been working, Genpact, Bank of America, Franklin Templeton, Deloitte, you talk about Broadridge, you talk about all these companies our candidates have been working. Apart from that, what about the taxation? That's the reason as an accounts and taxation are interlinked. That's the reason in case of this course we have practical income tax. Practical income tax will talk about what? Practical income tax mean to say we don't confuse you with again with your BCom syllabus. No, it is a practical course. It is especially designed for you. In this we train you what is the income from salary, how to make the computations, how to file your form number 16, how to computation of a total income, and then form number 16 and then income tax return. What are all required for as an accountant or to practice it also. I am the ex-vice president of AP Sales Tax Bar Association. I have been involved in the tax associations. That's a reason these are all the people who are all tax advocates and the CAs, cost accountants, companies, they have been asking for our candidates. That's the reason. And some of the chartered accountants, they are sponsoring their own, somebody will come for a job. So first you go there and then come for our course like. That's the reason we have companies like a placement help in case of the GST. Goods and services tax. Before goods and services tax there was sales tax part of it, and this GST, one nation one tax, it is also, you can call it as a GST accountant, GST practitioner. And as you have got a wonderful chance, that's here what is happening as a GST, one nation, one tax, you can practice anywhere in the country. This is, you have got as a BCom, MCom, MBA finance people, you can be like a chartered accountant or a cost accountant or a other professional. You are also eligible to practice it as a GST. That is a beautiful, wonderful opportunity it is given to you as a commerce and a management student. These are all the opportunities. And then industrial accountant. It's only MNC, I told you. Industrial accountant and factories and other organizations, you can also take up the job. And with this course, that's the reason our people are now in the high level, high positions. They've been drawing. It is a 5, 6 lakh, 7, that is after the experience. Like there was certain offers for our senior persons at higher with this levels. I wanted you to go to that Google, you go to Google and akkada manaki these reviews also are there. We got it. Ippudu, what I am trying to say that we have been doing the personal classes. Because of this corona, we have now introduced online courses also. It is fees is 17,000 rupees. It is like more than a personal. You will love it. Because in this, it is a person is sitting with you, how they have been training you, like you will enjoy. You see this reviews or feedback of our online students also. That's a reason the global accountant, as I told you, it is a multiple jobs, 21 years to 60 years persons. Why I am saying that? Retired bank managers, housewives are our students. Why? They can help their husbands. Somebody wants to, after 40 or 50, if they want to work also, they have been working with the chartered accountant and other organizations. You can check up our records. It is the only accounts finance is the only job. It is comfortable, it is convenient to all the age group, the people. If you want to go for a foreign jobs, our certificates are accepted. What else I can say? So that's the reason this course has got many opportunities. This is, I am inviting actually all the, you see what is happening for the commerce. ఇప్పుడు బీకాము, ఎంకాము, ఎంబీఏ వాళ్ళు కామర్స్ వాళ్ళకి ఇది బాగుంటుంది. అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద కామర్స్, BA, BSc and then other graduates also they are joining. But the thing is that why they are joining means but to improve their, they want to have this accounting knowledge. Like engineers have joined our course to handle their own company accounts. Like this retired persons have joined because after their retirement they want to work in administration and accounts part of it. Actually is for your kind information, government at the time of globalization, our government actually sponsored World Bank, through World Bank, sponsored government employees, VRS employees into our course, and they got the jobs also. That's the reason this course helps you, all the people. Hope you have gone through whole subject. Is now accountancy, we have plenty of jobs. As I told you, please you can take a decision. We have online course also, offline course also, the personal interactive classes also, and this is the course with a it is a one course for all the jobs in accounts and finance. You please go to our website www.ipaindia.net. Our office is at Paradise Circle, that is Institute of Practical Accountancy, 2nd floor. It is above Punjab National Bank, Paradise Circle, Secunderabad. You can contact me. My number is the 9009041119 and 4118 also you can contact. And we have ready-made the course with plenty of jobs, and we are there to guide you. Okay? Thank you.